Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix iPhone lagging and speed up your iOS device. Is your iPhone not as snappy as it once was? In this video, we will dive into simple yet effective strategies to kick that lag to the curb and boost up the speed of your iOS device. From fine-tuning your settings to managing your apps, we'll cover all the bases to breathe new life into your iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing is optimizing background app refresh. Boost your iPhone speed by managing background activities. Experiencing sluggishness on your iPhones can be a sign it's time to optimize your settings for better performance. I am going to tell you how to adjust background app refresh. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on background app refresh. Evaluate which apps need to refresh content in the background. Social media apps like Facebook, known for their high resource use, might not need constant updates, and then disable unnecessary refreshes. Turn off this feature for apps that don't require immediate content updates, minimizing the workload on your device process. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you managing push mail settings. Reduce battery and processor use with mail fetch settings. For this, open settings, scroll down and then go to mail option. Next, tap on account to access email settings. Tap on fetch new data. Here you can disable push by turning it off. Opt for a manual or less frequent fetch interval such as hourly or conserve your device resources. Remember, emails will update upon opening the mail app, ensuring you are still informed without the constant background check. By fine-tuning these settings, you can alleviate some of the stress on your iPhone's processor, leading to a smoother, faster user experience without sacrificing the functionality of your essential apps. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you turn off low power mode for enhanced performance. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to battery option. If low power mode is activated, the switch will be green. Tap on it to turn it off and restore full device performance, and you are done. Next, I am going to tell you manage home screen widgets. On your home screen, find the widget you wish to remove. Long press the widget until a menu appears. Tap remove widget to delete it from your home screen. Tap on remove widget and then remove all unnecessary widgets, and you are done. And the next step is keep iOS and apps updated for optimal performance. To update iOS, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Next, tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and follow the on-screen instruction to download and install, and you are done. Next, I am going to tell you how to update your apps. Launch the App Store and then tap on your profile icon at the top. Scroll down. You have the option to update all or manually select apps for updating, and you are done. And the next step is maximize iPhone storage for better performance. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down. Next, tap on iPhone storage. To see a breakdown of your storage consumption, identify and delete apps, photos, videos and other files that are not essential. Liberating space on your iPhone not only boosts performance but also ensures smoother updates and better functionality of apps, and you are done. And the next step is clear Safari cache for enhanced speed. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to Safari option. Tap on it, scroll down and then tap on clear history and website data to eliminate stored cache. This process releases sources tied up in storing extensive web data, potentially increasing your iPhone's responsiveness and speed during web navigation. And then tap on clear history and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone lagging and speed up your iOS device. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.